Meet Cricut Hat Press. It's a heat press that makes custom hat projects easy. And just how easy is that? Just use the included hat pressing form to shape a firm, smooth pressing surface. Then, attach your design. Get wild with iron-on or Infusible Ink. Open the Cricut Heat app to send ideal time and temperature settings to your hat press. The curved heat plate applies dry heat evenly, so you can rest assured your design is getting all the love it needs. And when it's time, your Cricut Hat Press will give you a heads up. Look at how perfectly it fits in its safety base, protecting your work surface. It even shuts off when you leave it alone. So, show us what you've got. You can wear more than one hat. Think up endless possibilities, because now, every hat you make is your next crowning achievement.